Welcome to everyone to the best Facebook ads tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add your payment method into your Facebook Ads Manager and start running ads. To start doing all these things, you need to log into your business manager account. So to log in, go to business.facebook.com and then log in with your Facebook profile account details. If you don't have a profile account, go to create an account and then fill in all your legal document and use that details to log into the business ads account manager. So if you log into the business account manager, this is the interface and you will see all these stuffs here, and all these stuffs we have a video on how you can do all the settings here, so check on the description for that video. So here we add our payment method. Go to the billing section here, billing and payment section here, open it and it will take you through the billing and payment platform of the payment method here. So when you see it like this, come to add payment method under here. So if you scroll down, you see add payment method, and here is where you add your payment. One thing I want to tell you is don't use a PayPal account, because using a PayPal account can affect your ads in some ways, and many people use it but the account has been banned. So for the best way, use a Visa or MasterCard. So choose the first one, that's debit and credit card. Click on next. This drop down menu is where you enter your card detail. The first one is your card name. You add the name on your card, and the next one is the card number. The next one is what? The expiring date of your card, and then the CVV number of your card. And then you click on the save to save your payment method. And let me show you another method too. Come to the ads manager, and on the ads manager, come to the payment activity here, and you come to get started here. Click on the get started, then you follow the same process or the same procedure. So you choose your credit or debit card and then click on next and fill in your name, your legal name on your card, the card number, the date, expiring date, and the CV number, and then click on save to save it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.